everyone, this is Kama. This is a little creek by our house where the kids love to swim. It's a great creek because there are different parts to it, so there is something for everyone. There is a deeper part where you can swim. The water in the creek also flows pretty quickly at some parts, so the kids love to ride floaties and inner tubes all the way to the end, even underneath the road. It's like a real lazy river. The water is a little cool, but the kids are never bothered by it. There is also a shaded shallow area where some of the kids like to hang out and play in the sand or climb in the trees. We like to go to the creek during dry season and hang out in the sun with friends. The water is super clear and the area is clean, so it makes for a nice location to spend a morning or afternoon. It's even a great place to bring a picnic and have a lunch on a blanket in the shade. Thanks for stopping by. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments. Check out our website about our Christian community and neighborhood in Volcán, Panama at corazondelcielo.com.